going on, guys? It is Mike from Tom's Ford. Today I'm here to show you some things about the Edge Titanium that I think are some of the most awesome features out. The first one is the Handsfree Liftgate. The second is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the third is the Panoramic Sunroof. I know that one doesn't seem that crazy, but honestly there's a lot of buttons up there and not a lot of people know exactly what they do. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. Alright, so let's get started. The first feature that I'm going to go over is the Handsfree Liftgate. So basically, all you have to do with this is wave your foot underneath your trunk. And this is really helpful if you're holding anything really big, you got both your hands full, you can just wave your foot under, take a step back, let the trunk open up, and toss your items right in. You can either push the button right here to close it up, or you can actually just wave your foot under again and close it. It's really useful if you're taking out big items, like I said. It's one of my favorite features that I've recently found on my truck. I actually figured it out on accident when I was taking something out. But yeah, it's definitely awesome. The next thing I'm going to show you about is this Panoramic Sunroof. And we've got a lot of buttons up here. So I'm going to tell you exactly what they all do. These two on the right side, I guess closer to you guys, are going to be the ones that actually move the visor that lets it open and close. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this one all the way. As you can see, it's definitely a lot brighter in here when we have that sunroof open. And when you have it closed, you can use these buttons right here and it'll automatically open the whole thing, and it'll tilt open some of the panoramic roofs as well. So you get a nice breeze in the whole car. Let's go ahead and close that one back up. Oh, that's only halfway point. And then this last button right here in the middle is just going to give you tilts. That just tilts the thing a little bit upward and you're good to go. Let's bring it back down. Oh, I just figured that out myself. So if you want to bring it back after you tilt it open, you got to use this arrow key down here. And that's pretty much how you use the Panoramic Sunroof. Personally, I like it open better. Okay, so to finish the video off today, I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you have an Android. And the only two things you're going to need are the cord to your iPhone and the phone itself. So super easy. And the first thing you're going to do is just plug in the cord down here into one of the USB ports. And then you just got to plug that into your phone, and it should pull some stuff up right away pretty much. It's going to start recognizing things. It detected the iPhone, and we just have to unlock the phone in order to get in. And hit continue on the screen, and agree. We're going to skip setting up 911 Assist this time because it's not our car. And we're just going to allow it to access Sync 3 from the phone. And as you can see on the screen right now, we have access to some of our apps already. We can get into the maps, which is what we're seeing now. You can check your messages. You can go over to your iTunes playlist and see all of your music. And you can just go home screen right here and see all of the things that you're able to do. And that's pretty much how everything works in here. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more.